Do you like it here? Yes, it's beautiful. Do you come here often? Sometimes when I need a break. What about you? Not much, but I love it. Is it far from your home? No, just a 10-minute walk. What do you think of the trees? They are so tall and green. Do you know their names? Some of them. That one is an oak. Do you like learning about nature? Yes, it's interesting. Do you come here with friends? Not always, mostly alone. Do you prefer company? Depends on my mood. Sometimes alone, sometimes with friends. Do you feel relaxed here? Very, nature always calms me. What about you? Yes, it's peaceful. I feel like I can think clearly here. Exactly, the city feels so far away. Right. Yes, it's like another world. Do you hear that stream? Yes, it's nearby. Should we go check it out? Sure, let's go.